Lake District, good afternoon. I am tour guide Alexander. Today I offer you excellent place for you to enjoy it as a couple. And the Lake District is one of the tourist places in England that does lots way its beauty. It's part of a national park in northwest England. And in an area dotted with beautiful bodies of waters, mount ranges, and queen latitudes to explore. Each lake has its particular chart that meets its tourist journey. Probably the most famous is Windermere, the largest natural lake in England, very popular for submarine. EU one a camera lay the Oz weather is perfect. In the Lake District, you can go stand at a paddle, boarding, walking, hiking, and others outdoor uh, adventures. You will get tired of taking photos, pictures, and if you climb to the tune of Harlem Trail and the dimension of 649 meters height. You will have the most spectacular lenses. In the villages, there are crossy hosts, wet France beer, and homemade food. Going to place is very easy. Lake Windermere is hot and oats. Drive from the MSA's motorway and train departures from London are frequent. Thank you.